India resumes rocket launches with key military satellite deployment. India's Workhorse Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, is set to return to flight tonight, January 11th at 11:47 p.m. EST, 4:47 GMT, 10:17 a.m. IST on January 12th, carrying the ES-N1 military satellite and a diverse collection of commercial payloads. This launch marks a critical step in restoring confidence after a May 2025 failure and underscores India's growing ambitions in space-based surveillance and defense. Bounce back from setback, the PSLV, a reliable four-stage rocket with a 30-year track record, experienced its third failure out of 63 launches in May 2025, resulting in the loss of the ES-09 Earth-observing satellite. Tonight's mission is vital to prove the vehicle's continued operational readiness. The rocket has previously delivered major successes, including India's first lunar probe, Chandrayaan-1 2008, the Mars Orbiter mission, 2013, and the Aditya L1 Solar Observatory, 2023. Military focus. ES-N1, the primary payload. ES-N1, also known as Anvesha, is a hyperspectral imaging satellite designed for Earth observation. This means it will collect data across hundreds of light wavelengths, allowing for detailed analysis of the planet's surface. Intelligence sources confirm that this satellite will be operated by the Indian military, providing real-time surveillance capabilities. India is actively expanding its fleet of military satellites for both surveillance and secure communication. A diverse payload alongside ES-N1, the PSLV will carry a variety of international payloads: a Thai UK Earth-observing satellite, a Brazilian satellite designed to assist distressed fishing vessels, and an in-orbit refueling demonstration by an Indian company. A re-entry capsule, KID, Kestrel Initial Technology Demonstrator, from Spanish startup Orbital Paradigm. The KID capsule will separate from the rocket and splash down in the South Pacific, marking a demonstration of rapid re-entry capabilities. Commercial expansion. This mission is the 9th launch organized by New Space India Limited, ISRO's commercial arm, highlighting India's growing role in the global space market. India's renewed push in military satellite technology signals a strategic commitment to strengthening its space-based intelligence and defense infrastructure. The success of this launch will be crucial for maintaining its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving space landscape.